Hey guys, so for this adventure I saw a beautiful city of Elbląg. That's the flag which represents the city. So it was established in 1237 by the Teutonic Order. So the city is about 55 kilometers away from Gdansk, and if you want to see how Gdansk looks like, you can actually check out my YouTube page. So guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can bring you more content like this. This is St. Nicholas Cathedral. It became a cathedral in 1992 and it was actually destroyed in World War II, but then it got reconstructed. This is Brama Targova, which is the entrance or market gate to the original city. So this is Elbląg's river. It actually comes all the way from the Baltic. The name just changes into the river of Elbląg. What I'm showing you is mostly Old Town Elbląg, but it's very similar to Gdansk, as you can see. So this is Special Pub, which is basically a local beer, which Special does, and they made their own pub, so you can go in there and visit. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like so I can bring you more and better videos. And since I'm just starting out, every single like and every single subscribe really helps me out. Thank you so much, guys. And don't forget to leave me a comment if you like the video or not.